बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम अल्लाहुम्मा रब्बि ज़िदनी इल्मा सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम आमीन अल्हम्दुलिल्लाहि रब्बिल आलमीन। Important piece of advice to prepare and ace the examinations. Number 1. Be serious. Serious attitude towards studies will aid you in studying well and effectively. Seriousness is instrumental in every task to be completed efficaciously. Number 2. Time management. This is one of the most significant factor of life. Unless you manage your time wisely, you won't be able to handle many things in life. Managing time opens door to many opportunities and leads to less time being wasted on trivial activities. Constructing and acting upon a plan even reduces anxiety as it makes you aware of your substantial progress. Therefore, a good study plan will help you manage your time effectively and wisely. Hence, good time management is the key to success. Here is a study plan with time management that one can follow to utilize his day efficiently and productively. Sample study plan. Try to utilize the mornings wisely. First slot 7 a.m. to 1 p.m. You have 6 very good hours to study because you are fresh, both physically and mentally. Hence, this is the best time for studies as it would enable you to study more with complete focus and concentration. Second slot 3 p.m. to 9 p.m. with a 10 or 15 minutes break after every 1.5 hours. It is the second best slot for exam preparations. Make sure you study all the subjects daily, doing justice to each subject by investing at least 2 or 2.5 hours per subject. Study the subjects involving practice in the morning and the other subjects involving comprehension and inculcation of concepts in the afternoon and evening. Make a proper study plan according to your own requirements and sleeping schedule. Avoid procrastinating. Strictly follow the study plan. Be serious about time management. Remember, it reduces stress and increases productivity. Number 3. Organize your work. Refreshing the concepts thoroughly is the first and foremost thing to do, and for that, you must go through your notes chapter wise. The next step is to go through the solutions of important questions from your notebooks or assignments. In this way, you will be able to organize all your work. Once you have done this, you must solve recent yearly past papers to check your progress in the subject and to have a good flow in attempting questions. You can only do all the mentioned work only if you strictly follow the study plan. Good concentration. Well, it is the key to success. Hence, do everything with full concentration. Whether going through concepts or practicing questions, 100% concentration is essential to lead you to success. Number 5. Avoid careless mistakes. If you want to avoid careless mistakes during exams, then you must avoid them while practicing and preparing for exams. Practice, without doubt, makes one more proficient at the required task. Careless mistakes only occur either due to lack of practice or concentration, and therefore, to avoid losing marks, concentration and practice is essential. To perform well and attain the best grades in all your exams, follow the tips which I have given to you in this very lecture. Seriousness plus time management plus good concentration is equal to A star. As the above mentioned equation suggests that in order for a student to succeed and get the maximum grade, he must focus on having serious attitude towards studies, time management, regular practice, command on concepts, as they all sum up to give an A star. And to spend a beautiful life Be well mannered and be pious. Allah Hafiz.